Kundasang is one of the most beautiful highland towns in Malaysia, sitting right beneath Mount Kinabalu, with breathtaking views all around. But getting here was a little exhausting. So the real question is, was it actually worth it? That's what we are going to find out today in this video. As soon as we arrived, we were greeted with rain, but that didn't stop us from exploring. After renting a motorbike, we decided to go check in and drop our bags. Behind me is the famous Mount Kinabalu, the tallest mountain in Malaysia, standing at 4,095 meters. And I am in this beautiful town of Kundasang, also known as Little New Zealand, because it's famous for its greenery and vegetable, and a lot of people come here to chill out and have a good time and also climb Mount Kinabalu. This mountain was formed millions of years ago with cooling granite pushed up against with the tectonic activity, hence which is why these beautiful formations. And wow, now I can see why a lot of people like to climb, and it is so popular in Asia, and I have yet to climb it, working on my stamina. Clouds are moving and it is absolutely beautiful, and I am staying here at Nick Gold, and this is a beautiful little accommodation if you like peace, right in the middle of the hills. Really beautiful wooden cottages, and you'll be surprised when you look at the price, because no, it's not expensive and it's super duper affordable. We paid about $25 a day, which is like, what? For a place like this and a view like this. Definitely highly recommended. The views are absolutely beautiful and this place is just beautiful, and the animals are plus. Hi, hello beautiful. And wow, here comes the rain. The weather is super unpredictable, so we gotta go. By the way, I also want to give a huge shout out to my Honda Vario, which has been taking me to places, and this is such a good and reliable bike when I'm out traveling. This is absolutely a workhorse. The view changes every 10 minutes. It's insane. It was just super cloudy and you couldn't see all the way there, and now it just cleared up and it's just so beautiful. Despite the rest of the day being covered in clouds, we headed out to explore and stumbled upon a beautiful little cafe. Wow, look at that valley! But the next morning, everything changed. We woke up to crystal clear skies, a breathtaking sunrise, and one of those perfect days that reminds you why you travel in the first place. Good morning from Kundasang Sabah. We woke up in the morning, we arrived to our favorite cafe to get a coffee, and when I walked up here, it completely took my breath away, because there is Mount Kinabalu right here in front of us, and it's so beautiful, so clear. So we're really taking it all in and having the coffee right now. And after that, the plan for today is explore a couple of places. We're gonna go dairy farm, and we're gonna go a couple of beautiful roads that leads to some beautiful views, and you know, it's just gonna be a chill, beautiful day, and the weather is absolutely beautiful. So now we are just prepping ourselves, fueling ourselves for a big long day. Can't get enough of this view. Look at that. Whew. Sometimes I'm fine in the backseat. Feels like my life's moving past me. Things I'll forget 10 days from last week. There's too much blessing every day for me to leave on the shelf. Just lift your head, cause there's no reason. Beautiful views of the valley all around us. And these flowers are so beautiful, it caught my eye. So turns out we rode 20 minutes off-road in the wrong direction, and the place that we wanted to go is on the other side, so it's another 20 minutes, but that is very normal. But anyways, I'm enjoying the ride. It's really beautiful out here. Oi! Are you lost? Hot. What? Hot. Hot? Hot. So we have arrived at this dairy farm to see some cows, I guess. Again, not my idea. But anyways, we are here. It's pretty hot now, but the weather is still so beautiful, and the sun really doesn't hurt you, like it doesn't burn your skin. So maybe because it's cold, and everywhere you look, the views are absolutely beautiful. So now we're here at the dairy farm, Unfortunately, there are no drones allowed, so I cannot fly my drone. But let's see what type of shots I can get here. Also, I'm so happy at this trip I brought my telephoto lens 70 to 300 and I'm getting really good shots with this lens, and I'm filming this on 35 millimeter. Now that's a nice shot right there. That's the shot. Okay. Alright, so we are given this complimentary fresh milk in Desa farm in Sabah, which is really famous, and we're gonna try some fresh milk, I guess. It's not my idea, by the way.
So difficult to open.
Open it from here. No, you gotta open it like this. Yeah, here, tear it apart.
Okay, and then
Okay, here, and then in the middle. Now, how do we drink it?
oh my god. Oh, okay, like that.
Wow, guys, we're enjoying the fresh milk. Wow, this is so much fun. It's way better than flying my FPV drone into the mountains. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna drink fresh milk now. Moment of truth.
Wait, hold on, I'm not ready yet. How do
How do you open, baby? You open
I don't know.
wrongly, baby.
They didn't
This
give any.
side.
Okay. Never mind. We cut that. I'll cut that out.
How are you gonna drink? It's gonna fall.
It's gonna go in my mouth.
Okay, fine.
Alright. Alright, you gotta take two. It's so much fun. We're drinking the fresh milk now in Sabah dairy farms. Way better than flying drones. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, so fresh.
It is actually fresh. It is damn nice,
I
actually.
can taste the cow titties.
Taste the what? Okay, it's actually good. And I'm dropping the milk everywhere.
Because you open it wrongly.
Wow.
Sloppy as always. Come here. Tissue. Tissue.
It is actually fresh, not gonna lie. This is, wow. This is nice. Straight out of the titties. Cheers. Now we're done with the milk and titty stuff. Now we're gonna go feed some calves, I guess. Okay, go ahead. And I thought it's gonna be a cinematic video of Sabah, not feeding baby cows or goats.
What I believe. Through the cloud I see your hand.
Alright, we are done with the cow and baby goat and milk and titties activities, and now we're gonna go for a lunch because I'm super hungry. Weather is cloudy the whole time, so that's very good, and it's a little bit moody. Can't really see Kinabalu in the distance because it's covered with the clouds, but we got lucky. We woke up in the morning, we went to the cafe and got a really clear sight of Kinabalu. So hopefully tomorrow we're gonna start our day very early and climb a hill. He's waiting right here. Hi, good morning. Why are you twerking like Shakira? Shakira, Shakira. Here's the husband, which is not so friendly. And we are going to climb a hill to get a viewpoint. Fly my drone, which I haven't flown in a few days. What is my mode of transport? Right here. It's time to climb. Oh, that rhymes. She's gonna do her daily routine. Get on with it. Get on with it.
Oh my god, every morning.
Every morning, clear the mist.
This is your job.
Also the mirrors. Step it up.
This is your part.
Oh yeah, this is my part. Pick that up. Bloop. Who brings the toilet paper and wake?
This is multi-purpose toilet paper. Okay, can be used for any occasions.
Initiating starting sequence. Come on, Scoopy! Come on! Come on! Go! Go! Slippery because it rained like the whole night. Whew! We're almost there, and that's why you don't hike without breakfast, and do not underestimate any hike. Parked our bike way down there. Almost there to the peak. Peak is right there, and I think I can fly my drone. Just need a little bit of sunshine. That's beautiful. Unfortunately, there is no sunrise and it's a little cloudy today, as you can see. Kinabalu is covered in clouds. We did get some good shots now. Now we're gonna go find breakfast, and it's our last day here in Kundasang. It was a good experience. Nice, beautiful little highland. Also, it's my first time bringing the 35mm. Usually I travel my 24-70, which is super heavy for traveling. So this time I decided, you know what, let's change it up a little bit. I brought 35mm and my zoom lens, Tamron 7300. And it's really nice to vlog on a prime lens. It's just so sharp, and obviously 1.8 bokeh. Amazing. Alright, time to get some food. And just like that, our trip came to an end. So, was it worth it? Absolutely. I was completely blown away by the beauty of this little town. Whether it was wrapped in moody clouds or glowing under a perfect sunrise, every version of it had its own kind of magic. I hope you enjoyed coming along on this little adventure. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.